The rise of artificial intelligence (AI) has brought about numerous exciting developments, including the ability to generate images using text. This trend has gained momentum over the past few months, with remarkable advancements being made in this field. Among the most famous AI tools used for generating images from text is MidJourney. However, the free plan that was once available has been removed, requiring users to pay to use the service. As a result, people are searching for the best free alternatives to MidJourney for generating images from text. I recently discovered some AI tools that can generate photorealistic images from even the most detailed descriptions. It's so good that it even created a picture of me that made me look attractive. In this video, I will share with you the top 3 AI tools that can be used as a free alternative to MidJourney and that are even better in some ways. The first AI tool we're going to use is BlueWillow. To access this tool, all you have to do is go to their website and click on Join the Free Beta. After that, you will be redirected to a new page asking you to accept the Discord invitation to the BlueWillow server. To use BlueWillow, you need to use the command /imagine, which is the same command used with MidJourney. Once you've entered this command, you can use any prompt you want to generate an image. For instance, you could enter Star Wars concept art and give the tool some time to generate an image according to your prompt. Once the image is complete, you can see how detailed and high quality it is. You can also upscale or create variations of the images without having to pay anything. This makes BlueWillow a cost-effective and accessible option for generating high-quality images. The other thing you can do is invite the BlueWillow bot to your server, and you can use it in your server as well. I used to think that creating professional-looking images required expensive software and hours of training. But thanks to this new AI tool, even a chimp with a keyboard could make stunning graphics. In conclusion, BlueWillow is an excellent tool for generating high-quality images using AI. It's easy to use and accessible for users of all skill levels. It is one of the best free alternatives of MidJourney out there. Second tool on the list is LeonardoI. One of the standout features of LeonardoI is that it doesn't require a Discord account to use. Instead, users can access the tool directly from their website. The link to the tool will be provided in the description below after filling out a quick form. Once you're on the LeonardoI website, you can click on the Launch App button, followed by Yes, I am whitelisted to access the main dashboard. Here, you'll find a collection of artwork generated by other users, which is a great way to get inspiration and see the capabilities of the tool. I personally find LeonardoI to be superior to MidJourney, and the fact that it's completely free is a major bonus. With this AI tool, you can generate images faster than you can say, I don't know how to use Photoshop. Another notable aspect of LeonardoI is that you're given 150 tokens per day, which allows you to generate up to 150 images each day. These tokens are replenished every 24 hours, so you don't have to worry about running out. While this limit might seem restrictive to some users, it's still a decent number of images to generate for free. If you click on any of the images generated by LeonardoI, you'll be able to see the prompt that was used to generate it, as well as any negative prompts that were excluded. Additionally, scrolling down further will reveal information about the image's resolution, the AI model that was used to generate it, and other details. You can use the tools available below each image to upscale it or remove its background. These features can be incredibly useful for designers and artists who want to tweak their images to achieve their desired results. Additionally, you can analyze the prompts used to generate the images to gain a better understanding of how to use LeonardoI effectively and generate high-quality images. If you head over to the Tools section, you'll find 3 different tools. The first tool is called the AI Image Generator. You can use this tool to generate images from text. After clicking on this tool, you can choose the number of images you want to generate at once. You can also change the image dimension and ratio in which you want to generate your image. There are 2 options available: image to image and image to prompt. With the image to image option, you have to upload a picture and the tool will generate another image related to the first. The image to prompt option is different, as it will write a prompt for the picture you uploaded, allowing you to edit the prompt and generate images according to your needs. In the first box, you can write a prompt such as Star Wars concept art and choose the AI model you want to use. There are many models to choose from, and you can even select custom models. The models are divided into community models and platform models, which were created by Leonardo. You can choose whichever model you prefer. For this example, we'll go with the default model, which is Leonardo Diffusion. After selecting the model, click on Generate and wait for 5 to 10 seconds for the tool to generate images. The quality of the generated images is impressive, and you can use advanced tools to create more variations of the image, remove the background, or turn the image into smooth HD. The second tool is the AI Canvas, which is used for editing images. You can upload images from your computer or generated images and change the AI model you want to use. For example, I will use Stable Diffusion 2.1. The numbers displayed indicate how many images will be generated at once. In the image dimension option, you can change the size of the box according to your needs. The AI canvas can be used for various tasks, such as expanding the image or replacing objects in the image. I will show you how you can do both of these things. First, place the box where you want to expand the image, and then write a prompt for what you want in the expanded image, for example, tree, and click on Generate. After some time, you can see that the image is expanded, and you can toggle between different generated images using the arrows. You can select the one you like the most. That's how you can expand any image using this advanced AI tool. If you want to replace anything in the picture, click the mask button and draw on the object you want to replace. For example, let's change the top of the tower with a flag. Move the box on top of the tower and mask the selection you want to change. Then describe in the box what you want to replace it with, such as flag, and click on the Generate button. When it's done, you can change the images using the arrows. You can see that it generated different flag images according to the main image. That's how you can replace objects in this AI canvas. The third tool is the texture generator, which you can use to generate textures on any 3D model. Overall, LeonardoI is an impressive AI tool that offers a wide range of features and options for generating high-quality images. Its user-friendly interface and free plan make it accessible to users of all skill levels, while the post-processing options and detailed prompt analysis add to its versatility and usefulness. The third tool and the last tool in the list is Lexica. This tool is quite similar to the LeonardoI in terms of its functionality. Once you reach the website, you can browse through the art created by other users to get an idea of what this tool is capable of producing. The next step is to head to the Generate section, where you can generate images using text prompts. However, before you can do that, you need to sign up. You can sign up using any email or your Google account. Once you're done signing up, you can enter the prompt you want to use. For example, you could write Star Wars concept art. In the bottom box, you can enter any negative prompts that you don't want to include in your generated image. Negative prompts refer to any objects or things that you want to exclude from the image. If you don't have any negative prompts, you can leave that box empty. On the right-hand side, you will see some additional options, such as the dimension of the image and some advanced settings. You can adjust the image dimension to suit your needs. In the advanced settings, you can select the model you want to use. Currently, there are only 2 models available in Lexica, and I will choose the latest one, which is Lexica Aperture V3. I will leave the guidance scale at its default value of 7, and then click on Generate. The tool will take some time to generate the images, but the results are often stunning. In addition to the basic image generation, there are some other options you can play with, such as generating a wider version. If you select this option, the tool will generate a wider version of the image using outpainting. This will generate 4 more wider images similar to the one you selected, and the results can be mind-blowing. You can also generate alternative images. Finally, if you want to download the image you have generated, simply click on the download icon located on the top left side of the image. This will save the image to your computer or device, allowing you to use it for any purpose you wish. After watching this video, you might be a bit scared about how AI is growing so fast, and even some people say that AI will one day take over the world, but I'm not worried. As long as we don't teach them how to use Twitter, we should be okay. So these are the top 3 tools that are better than MidJourney, and they are completely free. Give them a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Also, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.